Hello everyone. I believe many people find that when they cook loofah at home, it often turns black and releases a lot of water. Actually, that's because we haven't mastered the correct method. As long as we use the right technique, I guarantee the loofah you make at home will taste even better than what you get in restaurants, and the color will stay bright green. Today I'm going to use 2 loofahs to share some tips for stir-frying loofah. We need to choose this type of loofah as it's more tender. Use a peeler to remove the skin of the loofah. When peeling, make sure to work quickly, because the longer the loofah is exposed to air, the more easily it oxidizes and turns black. After peeling the loofah, cut off both ends, then cut the loofah into rolling pieces. If you don't like cutting them into rolling pieces, you can also cut them into long strips. We can cut the loofah a bit larger, not too small, because it will shrink during stir-frying. Once all the loofah is cut, put it into clean water. Add a spoonful of salt and a little white vinegar to the bowl, mix well with your hands, and then soak the loofah for 10 minutes. This helps prevent the loofah from oxidizing and turning black. Next, let's prepare some aromatics. Slice 4 small chili peppers into rings and place them on a plate. Chop 4 cloves of garlic into small pieces to enhance the garlic aroma. Cut an appropriate amount of ginger into small cubes. Our loofah has soaked long enough, so take it out and drain the water. Add a little cooking oil to the loofah, then use chopsticks to mix well, making sure each piece is evenly coated with oil. This helps retain the nutrients in the loofah. After mixing, set it aside for later use. Next, let's prepare the sauce. Add 1 spoonful of light soy sauce to a bowl, 1 spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of sugar to enhance the flavor, half a spoonful of cornstarch, and a little water. Stir everything well with a spoon. Prepare a steamer, pour the mixed loofah onto the steaming tray, and use chopsticks to mix it evenly. This helps the loofah cook more evenly. Then cover with the lid and steam on high heat for just 1 minute. When the time is up, open the lid. A faint aroma of loofah wafts out, and the color is a vibrant green. Just looking at it makes you hungry. Take out the loofah and set it aside for later use. Add an appropriate amount of lard to the pan and heat it up. Using lard makes the dish more fragrant. If you have it, you can also add some pork belly. Then add ginger, garlic, and chili peppers and stir fry over low heat until fragrant. Once the aromatics are fragrant, pour in the steamed loofah, then turn the heat to high and stir fry to bring out the aroma of the loofah. Since the loofah is already about 60% cooked from steaming, we don't need to stir fry it for too long. Next, pour in the prepared sauce and continue to stir fry over high heat until everything is evenly coated. Reduce the sauce until it thickens so that every piece of loofah is covered in the sauce. Friends, since you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your lucky hands to give it a like and share it? Your likes and shares are the greatest support for me. Thank you so much. Alright, take it out of the pan and plate it up. A delicious stir-fried loofah dish is now ready. Prepared this way, the loofah stays bright green and looks beautiful, without turning black at all. Even though there's no meat, you can still taste a savory, meaty flavor. It's delicious and goes perfectly with rice. If you like it, go ahead and save this recipe to try it out.